Let's go on to our next game. So this one's called Two Truths and a Lie. The idea is that you would give us 3 statements, out of which 2 of them are true and 1 of them is a lie. It can be challenges, achievements. It can be something personal about you. It can be about your company, anything. Once you've given us the 3 statements, we have to then guess which one is a lie.
Okay. The 3 statements. Number 1, I speak 7 languages. Number 2.
We know that if you want to change that.
No, maybe it's easy for you, but I'm here. Let's see. And number 2 is I'm a national basketball player. And number 3, I run marathon. I'm a marathon runner.
Okay. I'm going to say the lie is the second one, that she's a national basketball player. You have the option of basketball or marathon.
I know. I was going to go with marathon for the sake of difference.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You play basketball?
Yeah, I was the captain of my team.
Damn, okay.
I played basketball for 10 years. Yeah, don't go on my height.
It wasn't the height. I was just like, I haven't heard that much of basketball in India as much. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not the best at sports.
I'm not a marathon.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Very cool.